Hello friends, welcome to Learners Forum. So this video is about the recent notification released by India Post Payments Bank. So this is for the recruitment of 54 information technology executives on contract basis. So let us see the recruitment details now. So first is the opening date for online registration of application, which starts from May 4 and the last day to apply will be May 24. Regarding the eligibility criteria, so the first post is executive, that is associate consultant. The age required is from 22 to 30 years and it also requires 1 year of post qualification work experience. The number of vacancies available are 28. Next, for executive consultant, the age is 22 to 40 years. It requires 4 years of post qualification work experience and the number of vacancies are 21. Next, for executive for senior consultant, 22 to 45 years of age is required with 6 years of work experience and 5 number of vacancies. So in total we have around 54 vacancies. Regarding the number of posts and place of posting, for executive it is given as New Delhi. For executive consultant it is given New Delhi. Next, for executive senior consultant also the place of posting is New Delhi, which is all belonging to payment application support. Next, for IT support, the different executives will be posted in Delhi, Mumbai or Chennai. Next, for core insurance solution, the posting is Chennai. Next, for data governance, the place of posting is New Delhi. For DC manager, it is either Mumbai or Delhi. Next, for channel lead, the place of posting is New Delhi. Moving on into the qualification, the executive for associate consultant, which has 5 vacancies, the qualification required is BTech in computer science, information technology or electronics, or master of computer application, which is MCA, or BCA or BSc in computer science, information technology or electronics, and the corresponding job description is mentioned here. Next, for executive consultant under payment application support, the minimum educational qualification required is BTech in computer science, information technology or electronics, or MCA, master of computer application, or BCA or BSc in computer science or information technology or electronics, and the corresponding job description is mentioned here. Similarly, for executive senior consultant, again the educational qualification remains the same for every posting given in this particular recruitment. The qualification expected is either BTech in computer science or information technology or electronics, or MCA or BCA or BSc in computer science or IT or electronics. So considering the job description and the domain in which the individual's candidate belonging to, we can choose any of the roles mentioned here. So as we have seen, again the educational qualification for executive associate in IT support also remains the same. Only the skill set and experience requirement is getting differed for each post. Next, for executive and IT support with the same qualification, but the skill set and experience is getting differed. So we have to check on the skill set and the experience requirement, based on which we can select the post. The period of contract will be for 3 years and it can be extended for 2 years based on the performance of the candidate. Next, the general instructions for candidates before applying is mentioned here. For the selection process, it will be made on the basis of interview, which can be followed by either assessment, group discussion or online test. So it depends again. Next, for each designation, the maximum CTC is given here. Regarding the posting details, it can be either at Delhi or Mumbai or Chennai. Next, application fee for SC, ST, PWD, the application fee is 150 rupees and for other candidates it is 750 rupees. Next, reservations and relaxation details are given here. So before filling the application form, we have to go through the detailed instructions which is provided as a separate PDF in this official website. So in official website, just click on careers and current openings, where you can find this recruitment of 54 information technology executives on contract basis. So here we have this download advertisement which we were seeing. Next, the detailed guidelines and procedures for online application. Just click on this. So here it is explained about how we can fill the online application, which consists of 3 steps. First is application registration, second is payment of fees, third is document scan and upload. So before applying online, we have to have all the scanned documents ready. First is photograph, and the resolution is given here. Next is signature, which has to be done in black ink. Next is left thumb impression. And regarding the background and all, it is given in detail here. Next is a handwritten declaration form. So what should be done and what should not be done, all the details regarding the documents is given here. So the handwritten declaration format is given here, which we have to write it in a paper as mentioned here, and we have to scan the document. Apart from this, we have to have a personal email ID and mobile number, because all the intimations will be provided through this two things only. First is application registration, for which we have to go into the official website and click on the apply online. Next is we have to click here for new registration, since we are a new registered applicant, where we have to fill the contact details, email ID, number and all, which will give you a registration number and password, with which we can proceed for the application procedure. So whenever we are starting the application, whenever we fill each and everything, we have to do by saving and moving into the next thing. Only then our application will be getting saved. Once after completing all the personal particulars, click on validate your details and save and next button, which will move to the next thing, which is uploading photo and signature. So we have to follow all the guidelines for scanning and uploading of photograph and signature. Next is preview. Once if all the details are correct, then we can move into the complete registration. In case if you have any things to be modified, we can do it in this stage. Finally, the payment, and click on submit button. Then the details regarding the payment of fees is given here. Next, for scanning and uploading of documents, starting from the photograph, signature, left thumb impression, handwritten declaration, and all the documents are given along with the required file size, format and complete procedure. So for photograph image, it has to be taken in a recent passport style color picture, and the picture is in color. We have to take it in a light color, preferably white background. And all the details regarding how the photograph should be is given here. Next, regarding the left thumb impression, the file size and format is given here. Next, for handwritten declaration, the file size, dimensions and file type is mentioned, along with which we have to upload the graduation or resume. So that also has to be in the specific file type and size. So while scanning the documents also, we need to follow all this procedure. So the scanner resolution has to be a minimum of 200 dots per inch, and all the other settings are given here. And while uploading these documents, click on the respective link and upload photograph, signature, left thumb impression, handwritten declaration, graduation and resume certificates. So this is the procedure to follow to apply online. In case if you have any doubts, you can post it out in the comment section, and the link is available here. Just click on that. So here we have to click here for new registration. We have to make sure that we are filling all this basic information first. Finally, click on save and next, followed by photo and signature. Then we have details. Then we have a preview. Then we have to upload all the documents that they have asked for, and finally payment. Once if all the steps are done, then the application submission will be done. So this is the procedure to apply. Thank you so much, friends.